Hello, XQ Talk viewers! I'm Ira and welcome to another episode of XQ Talk. Before we start, gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa nag-support ng first 2 episode namin. Sana marami po kayong nalaman na bago. So ayun, since March is known as Women's Month, we'll dive into how dental care connects with confidence, lifestyle, and empowerment. And perfect ang ating guest today dahil she's a brilliant musician, a talented violinist, and one of our very own Exquisite Advanced Dental Center ambassador, Miss Mika Torres.
Hello everyone!
Hello
Hi
po.
Ira! Sobrang saya ko to be here and thank you so much Ira for having me. Super excited ako for the topics today. As you mentioned, music, self-care, and empowerment. At syempre, ang power ng isang beautiful smile.
Same tayo, Miss Mika. So, based sa mga nakakausap namin patient, maraming babae ang conscious pa rin sa smile nila. Some feel insecure, some feel hesitant to get braces and dental treatments. For you, as a woman and performer, paano nakatulong sa'yo ang improved smile?
Grabe. Ang laki ng impact kasi sa performance, hindi lang talent ang kailangan eh. Mostly, confidence talaga. Kailangan confident ka sa tinutugtog mo, sa gagawin mo sa stage, confident ka sa stance mo. At syempre, confidence is everything. Kapag nasa stage ka kasi, people don't just listen, they watch you rin, diba? Kaya, ayun, super laki ng impact ng isang beautiful smile. It makes you look approachable, charismatic, and syempre strong rin. Pero honestly, before I got my ceramic braces, medyo na-conscious din ako eh. Kasi I was thinking kung makaka-apekto ba to sa pagtugtog ko, sa speaking voice ko, ganyan-ganyan. Pero ngayon, I can say na it was one of the best decisions I made. Hindi lang sa looks, pero pati na yun sa health and self-confidence ko.
Yes. Now that you mentioned ceramic braces, we're aware na maraming musician na tulad mo ang hesitant sa pagkakaroon ng braces dahil baka maka-apekto sa boses nila. Can you share with us with your experience a few weeks after you got your braces?
A few weeks? Yung sa akin kasi, iba yung case ko. Tinanggalan muna ako ng 2 tooth sa taas. So, medyo mahirap kasi kailangan muna pagalingin yung wounds. Tapos, siyempre masakit, bunot yun. Bunot, ikaw ba naman bunutan 2 ngipin, di ba? Hindi ka masasaktan. Tapos, ayun, nung after niya mag-heal, tsaka na siya, medyo nawala yung sakit. Yung sakit na lang niya is yung pag nagagalaw yung muscles. Ayun, siyempre sa simula, malaki ang adjustment. Tapos, habang tumutugtog naman ako, naging conscious ako konti kasi yun nga may gap. Kaya, ayun. Pero surprisingly, madali naman siya kasi nasanay naman din ako ng katagalan. Nung nasanay na ako, na-realize ko na okay lang rin naman pala na magpa-braces ako. Tapos, ang best part sa braces ko is ceramic siya. Hindi siya yung katulad na sa'yo or yung typical na braces na kitang-kita sa screen, sa cameras. Ang braces ko, which is ceramic, it's very discreet. Hindi siya halata, kaya hindi ako nako-conscious at all. Parang wala lang akong braces. Pero pag sa malapitan, syempre nakikita siya. Ayun, nakakangiti pa rin ako ng malaki. And also, alam ko after this, mas maganda pa rin ang smile ko.
Nice to know na maganda pala ang effect ng braces sa'yo. Since Women's Month ngayon, let's talk about naman ang self-care and empowerment. For you, Miss Mika, how does taking care of yourself, including your smile, empower you as a woman and performer?
You know, Ira, self-care for me is not selfish. Sarili mo yun eh. Kailangan mong mahalin din yung sarili mo. Tapos, kailangan mo alagaan talaga. It's a way of loving yourself, honoring yourself, and showing the world that you value you, especially as a woman, diba? So, sa music, sa career, at sa buhay in general, it's true na kapag inaalagaan mo ang sarili mo, physically, emotionally, or mentally man, you perform better, you function better, and you feel stronger and you inspire others rin. At isa sa pinaka-underrated form of self-care is dental health, syempre. Kasi when you have a great smile, you don't just look good, you feel good, you radiate confidence, and people are naturally drawn to that.
Totoo yan na ang beautiful smile is not just about looks, it's also about how you feel about yourself. Kaya we always tell our patient na investing in your smile is investing you.
Wow! Quote mo yan.
Yes.
Quote mo yan.
So ayun, before we end, ano pong mapapayo mo sa mga performer na katulad mo na hesitant pa rin sa pagpapabraces?
Ang mapapayo ko lang is, go for it. Siyempre, ang braces is temporary lang. Saglit lang naman di ba? Pero ang beautiful and healthy smile, siyempre, panghabang buhay. And besides, there are so many ways na para ma-improve ang teeth. Marami ng options now, like ceramic braces, yung katulad ng akin na hindi halata pero super effective. If having a great smile makes you feel more confident, then it's definitely worth it.
Agree ako dyan. It's really worth it na alagaan mo ang sarili mo. And thank you, Miss Mika, for sharing your insights and experiences with our viewers. I love how you said na self-care is a form of self-love. And to everyone, never be afraid to invest in yourself. Your smile, your confidence, and your well-being matter.
Yes, and tandaan nyo, self-confidence starts from within, but the beautiful smile helps bring it out. So, ladies, love yourself, take care of yourself, and most of all, keep shining.
At syempre, if you're ready to start your own smile journey, nandito kami sa Exquisite Advanced Dental Center to help you. Where healthy smiles begin!